Element. Classification of zodiac signs. The 12 zodiac signs are classified into 4 elements: fire, earth, air, and water. Fire, Agni Tattva, Aries. Leo, Sagittarius. Earth, Bhutatva, Taurus. Virgo, Capricorn. Air, Vayu Tattva, Gemini. Libra, Aquarius. Water, Jala Tattva, Cancer. Scorpio, Pisces. Fire element signs are known as fiery signs. Earth element signs are known as earthy signs. Air element signs are known as airy signs. Water element signs are known as watery signs.